the hell did you go? I'm an idiot. Worst recording ever. I've completely lost. You're gonna hate me. This is the worst video ever. I keep losing it. I got that flyby though. That was pretty sweet. Woo! Alright. Just don't hit me in the face. My face is too beautiful. Holy shit! I saw my life flash before my eyes there. I see the amount of turbulence it gets too.
Yeah, it gets a little breezy there.
I don't know if I got that. Oh fuck!
Oh,
I looked up. I was looking through the camera view.
guy. Thought you were gonna get hit with left.
My bad. No, my bad. I looked up just at the right time and I saw it come right towards me. We're good though. We're good. Not too much damage. Not too much damage. Another thumbs up. Just go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, you got about a minute left. Whoa. Dude, it gets going in the wind, man.
Yeah, with the wind, it can go pretty quick.
your servos, bro, bot. I think I'm gonna try to fly mine after this. Oh!
Battery's gonna die, I think.
Is it? Yeah, coming for a landing. You got this.